Hello, hello, good evening.
Mở video mở tiếng lên.
Hello, hello, Kian.
Đây,
Hello. Good,
Hello, Tita.
good evening,
cam đâu?
Kian.
Con đâu? Phía sau chụp
Good
cái.
evening. And it's nice to see you again. Wow, you look good today. How are you today, Kian? Are you happy today? Yes, okay, that's good to know. And are you ready for our new lesson for today? Ready? Ready for
Yeah.
our Yes, okay, good job. So now, let's start our lesson for today. Since you and Tom already had finished everybody up one, so we will level up. So we will talk about everybody up two. So for this one, we are in unit one, which is all about how,
Yeah.
yes, which is all about how we feel. So our lesson one, it's all about feelings. Let's see. Feelings.
Này.
Can you say feelings?
Furious.
Okay, very good. So when we say feelings, Ken, it is how we feel. This show us if we are happy, if we are sad, if we are angry, if we are scared, or if we are excited. So that is feelings. Okay. So we will talk about feelings in this lesson. So we have here some words that we will learn. But first, let's listen to,
Yeah.
yes, let's listen to this one.
Happy.
Happy. Very good.
Happy.
Can you hear the
Lesson
sound?
1.
Can you hear the
Sad.
Okay, let's
Feelings.
listen first.
Hot. Cold.
Oh,
Hungry.
hungry. Okay, wait. Let's listen first in the
Dirty.
Okay,
Listen,
very good.
point, and say. 1,
Happy,
Happy.
Happy,
2,
sad,
3,
hot,
4,
cold,
5,
hungry,
hungry,
6,
thirsty,
thirsty. Okay, so now let's read our words that we have here. Let's go first with this one. Let's say happy.
Yeah.
Yes, happy.
Yeah.
Can you, can you say happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy today? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How about sad? Let's say sad.
No.
No, sad. You are not sad. Very good. So next, hot. Let's say hot.
No.
No, you are not hot. How about cold?
No.
No, also hungry. How about thirsty?
Yes.
You are thirsty?
Yes.
Drink water. So you will not be thirsty. Okay, so let's learn more about these words. Let's go to our next page. Okay. Why is wait, cannot be moved. Oh, okay, this one. Okay, what feeling is this? What feeling?
Happy.
Very good. It's happy.
Happy.
Can you show teacher that you are happy?
Yes.
Can you show your smile?
Yes.
Okay, wow, good job. So when we say happy, so we smile and feel good like this. Can you smile? Smile, smile. I am happy. Okay, that is happy. So next, how about this one? The second one. This one. Let's have the second emotion or the second feeling. What is this?
Sad.
Very good. This is sad. So when we say sad, so we cry or feel bad when we are sad. Like in the picture, let's look at this Kian. What animal is this? What animal? Is it a bird? It's a bat. Very good. Let's say it's a bat. It's a bat. Let's say it's a bat.
Bad.
Okay. So is the bat happy or sad? Bat is happy or sad? Mm, is the bat happy or sad? Happy or sad? The bat is sad. Let's say Ken. The bat is sad. The bat is sad. Are you sad today, Ken? Are you sad today?
No.
No, I'm not. Let's say no. I'm not. No, I'm not sad. I'm happy. What are you doing? Are you playing right now? What are you doing? Oh, what is that? Is that a stapler? Okay, let's go to our next feeling. Go to our next page. How about this one?
Hot.
Hot, very good. Wow, you have a good memory. This is hot. So when we say hot, it is when our body feels warm, especially in summer. In summer, I feel hot. Okay, like this one. Let's take a look at this girl. What is the girl doing?
Hot.
The girl is hot. The girl is hot. And she is in front of a fan. So a fan helps us to keep ourselves cool. So when it is hot, yes, very good. So when it is hot, it is very hot. So we need aircon or we need an electric fan for us to lessen the feeling of warm or hot. In summer, Ken, in summer, do you swim? Do you swim in the beach?
It's the beach.
Yes. Do you swim in the beach in summer?
It's the beach summer.
In the beach. Okay, this one.
Do you swim in the beach when it's hot?
Not this one.
Bạn có hay bơi ở biển khi trời nóng không?
Do you swim in the beach? Yes. Wow. Okay, let's say, yes, I swim in the beach
Từ trước đi sống mà chẳng gọi là đi thuyền.
when I feel hot. Let's say, yes, I swim in the beach when I feel hot. What are you doing? Later we can draw. Later. Okay? So next, let's move on to our next feeling. So let's go to our next feeling. What feeling is this?
Cold.
Okay, very good. It is cold. When we say cold, our body feels chilly. We feel this on or in the winter season. So it is very, very cold. Are you cold right now, Kian?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you cold right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bạn có đang cảm thấy lạnh không?
Are you cold? Oh, yes. Okay, let's say yes. I'm cold. Cold.
Yes. Cold.
Okay, very good. So next, let's move on to First, teacher has a question. You raise hands. Why do you raise hands? So teacher has a question.
See.
Very dirty. So let's say, when it is cold, Ken, do you wear jacket? Yes or no?
Khi trời lạnh, bạn có mặc áo khoác không?
Do you wear a jacket when you are cold?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, very good. So let's say yes. Yes, I wear. Let's say yes, I wear a jacket.
Yes, I wear
A jacket
a jacket
when it's
when it's
cold.
cold.
Okay, very good. So good job. Next, let's move on to our next. Okay, this one.
Nào.
Okay, this one. What feeling is this? What is our next feeling, Kian? It is,
Vâng. Chưa?
what is our next feeling? Kian, are you still there? Are you listening?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. What is our next feeling?
Hungry.
Hungry. Very good. It's hungry. Good job. So when we say hungry, so our tummy wants food. Our tummy wants food. So when we are hungry, we need to, what do we need to do? We need to,
Yeah.
what do we need to do if we are hungry? We need to eat. We need to eat. So now, Kian, what do you do when you are hungry? What do you do when you are hungry?
Bạn làm gì khi đói bụng?
What do you do? What do you do when you're hungry?
Food.
I eat. Okay, let's say I eat food.
I eat food.
Okay, very good. So good job. So this is hungry. So next, let's move on to our next page. This one. Okay, so this one, let's take a look at the next feeling. What is the next feeling that we have, Kian? What is this? This is, starts with letter T. What is our next feeling? Kian, are you still there?
Yeah.
What is our next feeling? It is, what's our next feeling?
Something.
Oh, very good. Okay, one more time. Let's say thirsty. Thirsty. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty.
Thirsty. Thirsty. Thirsty.
Okay, good job. One more time. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Okay, very good. So when we say thirsty, it is when our body needs water.
Eat water.
Very good. So when we are thirsty,
And something.
very good. We need to drink water when we are thirsty. So this one. Okay, very good. So what do you drink, Ken, when you are thirsty? What do you drink?
Bạn uống gì khi khát?
Why are you keep we are
Thirsty.
thirsty?
Yes. Yes. What do you drink when you are thirsty, Ken?
Bạn uống gì khi khát?
What do you drink? Do you drink water? Do you drink juice?
Thirsty.
Yes. What do you drink when you are thirsty? Do you drink water? Do you drink juice? Do you drink soda? What do you drink?
Bạn uống gì khi khát? Bạn uống nước lọc, bạn uống nước ép trái cây, bạn uống nước ngọt có ga.
What do you drink when you are thirsty? I drink. Do you drink water? Yes or no? What do you drink? Water? Yes. Okay, let's say I drink.
Orange juice.
Oh, orange juice. Wow, that's a
No,
good.
no, no.
No,
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 no.
no.
Oh, what do you drink?
No, no.
You don't
Uh,
drink? What do you drink? You don't drink when you're thirsty?
Watermelon juice.
Oh, wow, that's a delicious juice. So let's say,
Watermelon juice.
okay, let's say I drink water. I drink, let's say, I drink
I drink
watermelon
watermelon
juice.
juice.
Okay, very good. So next, let's go to our next one. So
Goodbye, Tita.
oh no, it's still not our time. No goodbye. Okay, so let's have this activity, Kian. So we will listen and number. So you will listen, okay? If what feeling is that? Okay, let's
Page 4.
listen.
B. Listen and number. 1,
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
2,
I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Here
Thank
you
you.
are.
4,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
5,
Oh no, my ice cream. I'm
no.
sad.
My ice cream. I'm sad. Okay, let's listen to it one more time.
Page 4.
Let's listen to
B.
number 1.
Listen and number.
Được chưa?
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
Okay, so let's go with number 1, Ken. What is the feeling in number 1? What did you hear? Did you listen? Oh, what is the feeling in number 1? The girls,
Ah!
what is the feeling? Let's listen to it one more time.
Good job. Thanks. I'm happy.
Okay, what is the boy feeling, or what is the child feeling in the first or in number 1?
Pizza.
Happy. Very good. Good job. It's happy. So the child said, "Thanks. I'm happy." Let's say thanks. I'm happy. Okay, so now teacher has a question for you. Teacher has a question for you, Ken. What makes you happy? What makes you happy?
Điều gì khiến bạn hạnh phúc?
What makes you happy, Ken?
Điều gì khiến bạn hạnh phúc?
What makes you happy? Oh no, Kian is not listening. Can you still hear teacher?
Lên đây.
Hello? What makes you happy, Kian?
Điều gì khiến bạn hạnh phúc?
What makes you happy? Do you feel happy when you have a
One.
number 1? Do you feel happy when you have a new toy? Yes or no?
Vui.
Yes. What makes you happy? Do you feel happy when you have a new toy? Yes or no?
Bạn có cảm thấy vui khi có đồ chơi mới không?
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, let's say yes. I am happy. Let's say I am I am. Let's say again. I am
I am happy.
when
When
I have
I have a new ton.
okay. One more time. Let's say toy.
Oh,
Toy.
joy.
Okay,
Toy.
very good. Good job. Is that your brother? Is that your brother, Kian? Okay, so you are happy when you have a new toy. Very good. So let's listen to number 2. What is the feeling in number 2?
2,
I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm. I'm cold. My hands are cold. I'm not cold. I'm hot.
Okay, let's go with number 2. What is the feeling that we have in number 2, Kian? What is the feeling? Brr, I'm cold.
Toy. Toy.
Very good. It's cold. This one. Let's look at this boy. This boy is cold. However, look at
Girl.
this. Very good. Let's look at this girl. Is the
Hot.
girl very good? Nice. The girl is
Hot.
hot. So we have here 2 feelings in number 2, which is hot and cold. Hot and cold. Let's say hot and cold.
Hot and cold.
Okay, very good. So good job, Kian. So that is our second picture. Number 3. Let's go to number 3.
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, one more time.
Please, Mom. Water, please.
3,
Water, please, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, Kian. What is the feeling that we have on number 3? What is the feeling? It is what are we feeling if we need water? If we need to drink water, what is our feeling? We feel
We feel
what? We feel thirsty.
yeah.
Thirsty.
Dustin.
Okay, so our number 3 is what feeling? It's
Is
thirsty.
Dustin.
Okay, very good. So when we say thirsty, it is when we feel that we want or we need to drink water, we need to drink juice, or we need to drink sodas for us to lessen our thirst or the feeling of having a thirst. Okay, so we need to drink something. Okay, so next, number 4. Let's listen to number 4.
4,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
4,
Pizza. I'm hungry.
Okay, for number 4, what is the food that you heard, Kian?
Pizza. I'm
Pizza.
hungry.
Very good. So our number 4 is hungry. So good job. So when we say hungry, Kian, it is when we feel that we need to eat. Like this children or this child. She is thinking about eating pizza. So that is being hungry. So next, let's go with our last number, number 5.
5,
Oh no, my ice cream. I'm sad.
Okay,
Oh
one more time.
no, my
Wow.
eye is sad.
Wow, very good. You have a good listening skills. So for our number 5, what is the feeling that we have? I'm What is it? Very good. Good job. So let's take a look at this boy. So this boy dropped his ice cream. That is why he is sad because he dropped his ice cream. Okay. So now, Kian, what makes you sad?
Điều gì khiến bạn buồn? Điều gì khiến bạn buồn?
What makes you sad?
Cảm.
What makes you sad? Do you feel sad when you
Lấy đồ chơi.
what? English. Do you feel sad when you lost your toy? Do
Yeah.
you? Yes, okay, let's see. I feel sad when, let's say, I feel sad when I lost my toy. Okay, let's read it. Ken. I feel, I feel, I feel what? I feel sad. I feel sad. I feel, okay, let's say I feel sad when I lost my toy. Okay, so next let's read if we had the correct answers. Let's read number 1. Can you read number 1, Ken? Good job. Let's read number 1. Good job.
Good job. Thank you. I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Let's read number 2. Number 2. Brr, I'm cold.
Blue. I'm cold. My
Hands
ha
are cold.
I cold. My
I'm not
I'm
cold.
not cold. I'm hot.
Very good. So next, let's go with number 3.
Water.
Please.
Please. More. I'm thirsty.
Here you are.
Carrot.
Okay, let's say here you are.
Here you are. You are. Thank you.
Very good. Good job. Next, number 4.
Pizza. I'm hungry.
Okay, let's read this word once again. Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
Very good. Nice job. Nice job. Next, number 5. This one.
Oh no, my
Ice cream.
I'm sad.
Okay, let's read the word again. Ice cream. Cream.
Oh no, my ice cream.
Very good. Nice. I'm sad. Okay, so good job. So that is the feelings that we have here in our story.
Goodbye, teacher.
No, we are still not finished. Goodbye, teacher. Okay, so let's have here some sentence pattern. Let's learn a new sentence pattern that we have in our new lesson.
Page 5. See, listen, and say. Then practice.
I'm happy. I'm not sad. I am.
Okay, so now let's read our sentence here. Kian.
Happy. I'm not sad. I am.
Okay, very good. So let's focus first in this sentence. So I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, so can this sentence shows what we feel right now? For example, if we are happy, we will say, I'm happy. If we are sad, I will say, I'm sad. I'm hot. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. So we will use I'm, which is the shorter version of I am. I am, I'm. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm hot. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. So we use this sentence to show what we feel right now. However, let's go to our second sentence. So let's read this one again, Ken. I'm not. Let's read. I'm not
Not
sad.
sad.
Okay, very good. So when we say this sentence, we use this sentence to show what we don't feel right now. For example, Ken, you said that you are happy today. So that means you are not sad, you are happy. So we will say, I'm not, let's, let's say, I'm not sad. I'm not sad. Are you
not sad.
okay? Very good. So, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Ken? Yes or no?
Bạn có đói không?
Are you hungry? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. What we will use? I'm or I'm not? What shall we use? Since you said that you are hungry, we will say, I'm hungry. Let's say, I'm hungry. Let's say, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Okay, very good. Next question. Are you hot?
Yeah.
Nóng không?
Oh, are you hot right now? Are you cold? Are you cold? Okay, let's say, instead of saying yes, we will say, I'm hot. I'm cold. But if we are not feeling it right now, so we will say, I'm not.
Daddy.
Oh, okay.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hot. I'm not cold.
Cold.
Okay, so that is how we use this sentence patterns. Okay, so now teacher has a question for you, Ken. What do you feel right now?
Bạn cảm thấy thế nào ngay lúc này?
What do you feel?
Happy.
Okay, shall we say happy only? We will say, no, we will say I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, very good. Instead of saying yes only, we will say I'm happy. Yes, I'm happy. Okay? Okay, practice saying this in a sentence. Okay, practice I'm happy, I'm not, so that you can apply this. If a teacher asks you questions regarding what you feel right now. So now let's practice more of this feelings that we have. Let's listen to this story or this activity.
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
1,
I'm happy. I'm not sad.
Okay, so for number 1, Ken, what did the girl said? For number 1, what did the girl said? Is the girl sad?
I'm hungry.
The girl. Listen to the sound.
I'm
It's a-
happy. I'm not sad.
Wow, very good. So I'm happy. I'm not sad. So good job. So the girl is happy. She is not sad. So next, number 2.
1, 2,
I'm sad. I'm not happy.
Okay, one more time.
I'm sad. I'm not happy.
Okay, for number 2, what is the boy feeling, Ken?
I'm not sad.
I'm not sad. Is the boy not sad? Are you sure?
I'm not sad.
This one, the boy. Is the
Sad.
very good. So the boy said, I'm sad. I'm not. What did the boy said? I'm sad. I'm not happy. Okay, let's listen to it one more time.
Sad. I'm sad. I'm not
sad.
happy.
I'm not happy.
Okay, very good. So the boy is sad. He is not
Rồi,
happy. So we
Good,
will
good,
say,
good.
I'm
Very good.
sad. I'm not happy. So next, let's go with number 3.
3.
I'm hot. I'm not cold.
3.
I'm hot. I'm not cold.
Okay, for
I'm not cold.
oh wow, very good. I'm hot. I'm not cold. So what is the girl feeling? Kian, the girl is what is the girl feeling? The girl is hot. So we will say, I'm hot. I'm not cold. Very good. Good listening skills. So next, let's go with our number 4.
4.
I'm cold. I'm not hot.
4.
I'm cold. I'm not hot.
Okay, for number 4, Kian, what did the
I'm
boys?
cold. I'm not hot.
Very good. I'm cold. I'm not hot. Good
Nghe luôn người
job.
kia.
So let's take a look at number 5.
5.
I'm hungry. I'm not thirsty.
5.
I'm hungry. I'm not thirsty.
Okay, let's look at number 5. What did the girl said? I'm
Hungry. I thirsty.
okay, one more time. Let's say I'm not. I'm not.
Not thirsty.
Okay, very good. So the girl is hungry. And what is the food that the girl likes? She likes
Sandwich.
sandwich. Very good. Nice job. So next, number 6.
6.
I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry.
Okay, what did the boy said?
I thirsty.
I'm not.
Hungry.
Very good. Wow, good listening skills. I'm thirsty. I'm not hungry. And what is the juice that the boy wants to drink?
Orange juice.
Very good. The boy wants to drink orange juice. So good job. So now let's again review what we have here in the pictures. So let's take a look first at this girl. This one. What is this girl feeling? Kian.
I'm happy.
Very good. How about the boy, the second child?
I sad.
Very good. Is the boy happy?
No.
No, I'm not happy. Let's say I'm not.
I'm not happy.
Very good. How about the third child?
I am.
Very good. Is the girl cold? Yes or no? Is the girl cold?
No.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
I'm not cold.
Very good. Let's go with the next child. This one.
I'm cold.
I'm cold because as you can see, the boy is in the snow. And the snow is very cold. Is the boy hot? Is the boy
I'm
hot?
not hot.
Very good. And this one. What is this girl feeling? Is the girl thirsty? Is this girl thirsty? Ken? Ken? Is this girl thirsty? Yes or no? Oh no. Okay. Okay, Ken. Ken, are you still there? Okay, Ken. So we will end our lesson here. So I think it is already the end of our time. And we'll continue this lesson with Tom in our next class, okay? Which is on Friday. So goodbye, Tom, and see you again soon. You did a great job today. I can see that you really have a good listening skill. So keep up the good work and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Tom. You can now rest. Bye, bye, bye.